First, a foundation in which we had computer organization, software engineering, and ITB programming. Okay, one day each, so 3 days. We had 3 days, right? 3 or 4 days. Then comes next one, Linux basics. So we covered a lot of commands in Linux. Okay, all those commands we covered. Then we had Linux shell scripting, right? Yes. Yes, are you getting my point? We had Linux shell scripting. Then these two topics were added latest, okay, which I need to take. Python scripting and testing fundamentals. Okay, 4 and 5, we will take that, okay? Because they were added later. Python scripting and testing fundamentals, okay, were added later. So I will take after this advanced topics. Okay. Yes. Do you see that?
Yes.
Then we had programming in C part, right? Programming in C part we had, right? So we finished this programming in C part till functions, right? Yes. So in programming in C part, we had till functions. Then we had a term one assessment and term one lab, right? Yes. We had term one assessment and term one lab. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Yes. Then came the advanced part of programming C, where we are also doing data structures. Okay, we are also doing data structures. Okay. After this, okay, the schedule will be like this. We have to have a boot camp. Boot camp means you will be given a problem which you need to solve. Okay. You need to search from Google. You need to apply your mind. Okay. And appropriately you have to handle that. Okay. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
So that will be 3 days. 3 days is allocated for that. You see here. Okay. So 3 days, that's the problem solving. You have to do it for 3 days. Then you will have term two assessment. Okay. So now we have some time in between. Term two assessment is approximately on days, which one? On 1st September. In the meantime, okay, in the meantime, we also have to cover that Python scripting and testing fundamentals. Python scripting and testing fundamentals. We need to finish this too, right? Yes, are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. Then come to the next thing. You'll have some networking basics. Okay. See that networking basis, some theory about networking basics. Okay. Next, after that, you will have the embedded C part. I will try to highlight embedded C part will be 15 days. Embedded C part will be 15 days. That is 3 weeks. Yes, are you getting my point? Are you seeing the chat box?
Yes.
Yes. So that will be 3 weeks, right? So in that 3 weeks, first week, we will cover 8051 microcontroller. In Keel IDE and Lotus simulator. Okay, and okay, that's it. Second week. Are you seeing the chat box? Everybody see the chat box. Second
Yes.
week, ARM processor. ARM processor, that is STM32. Okay, will be covered in Keel and board will be provided to you to dump program on the board and check behavior on the hardware. Yes, this is second week. Yes, is it clear?
Yes.
Third week, you will have OS concepts. Third week, you will have OS, not OS concepts, but RTOS concepts. Okay, and programming the RTOS on STM32 board. Okay, right? Are you seeing this? So this 15 days will go like that. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
So see here, embedded C microcontrollers and RTOS, right? This will be 15 days, right? 15 days. See here. Okay. Then you will be given a project. After that, you will be given a project to do. Okay. On embedded C microcontrollers and which you will submit in the specified number of days. Okay, are you seeing that, everybody?
Yes.
So for project, how many days? Let us see here. Scholar will be given programming problems. Okay, so just let me check. Yeah, okay, mini project is there. Vocabulary. It is 30 hours. 30 hours means 5 days. 30 hours means 5 days. So project is 5 days, right? Do you see there? Project is project is 5 days. Then you will have term pre-assessment and IKM assessment as a final stage. Okay, as a final stage, then you will be moving to OJT, on job. Okay, and you will be interviewed by client. Okay, you will be interviewed by client and get absorbed in OJT. They might give you a realistic problem to solve based on what you have learned in whole training. Okay, are you seeing that?
Yes.
Which, if you solve, your chances of getting selected become. Okay, so that is the whole process. Do you have any queries on that? Yes, do you have any queries on that?
No.
Were you knowing this process earlier? Yes, I'm asking, were you knowing this process earlier? Asking something.
I don't remember.
Pardon loudly.
I don't remember.
Okay. So this is the whole process, okay, of the training and the OJT and the interview and getting selected. Okay. Yes, Wooson, what you are typing? You can talk. Are you seeing Wooson?
Yes, yes. I see.
I've asked you a question.
It's okay.
It's okay. Not good. It is okay, not good, right?
Mm, it's okay and good too.
Where do you find the shortcoming? Please suggest so that we can improve. Yes. Firstly, online training has its own limitations. Okay. Yes, are you seeing there what I'm typing? Online training has its own limitations. Yes, is it clear?
Yes,
But we are trying to put the best way. Okay. Your cooperation is needed. And I would suggest you people talk the subject in English. Okay, in English. That will also improve English and you will lose stage fear. Yes, you will lose stage fear. So that you can speak with courage. Yes, are you seeing the chat box?
yes.
You can speak with courage. Okay, clear, everybody?
Yes.
Let me go to my what is that? Connect. Just a minute. I'll open my virtual machine. So this is the URL. Go on to that. Then you give the username, then the password. I go into VMware workstation and power on the virtual machine. For Ubuntu, is booting up. You can give a full screen like this. It boots up. Is everybody seeing that? My Linux machine is booting up. Now I log in. Are you seeing here? I'll go on desktop. I'll make a folder for Python. Okay. I'll go inside Python. Yes, are you seeing that? I go inside Python. Now to install Python, yes. First check which version of Python, is already installed. Okay, is already installed. How? Like this. See here. Python 3. Okay, hyphen version. So it is installed for me. Yes, it is installed for me. So give a sudo apt-get update. Give a sudo apt-get update. Yes, do you see there, everybody? Yes. Then to install Python, the command install Python, the command. Okay. You'll give like this. Sudo apt, okay, get install Python, okay, 3, like this. This is the command you will give. Okay. Yes, do you see there? Now, not only Python, you need to also, install some more packages related to Python. So you'll give like this, sudo. Yes, are you seeing here, everybody? I've started the recording or not? Oh, yes, good. Fine. So I go here. Now I'll give some more commands. Sudo apt-get install. Okay, I'll say software. Okay, properties. And then I can check with properties, and then I can check with common. Okay. So common packages will be installed. Are you seeing that? Yes, you installed sudo apt and get install software properties common, right? There is one package called as dead snakes. You can use that. Sudo. Now see this again. You can say sudo add apt repository ppa. Are you seeing that? I'll say dead snakes. I can say something like this. PPA. So it will add a repository. I press enter to continue. So it will install that. It will install that. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
Then I have to update my systems package list. Okay, I'll update my systems package list again after installing that dead snakes. Sudo apt get seeing there. Yes, then I have to give this sudo apt get install. Okay, Python 3. So because I have installed earlier, it is giving me already installed. Okay, as I was telling, what was the version of Python? We checked with the first command. You remember that? Python version. So mine is 3.10.4, right? Now Python has different libraries. you have to install one by one all those libraries. Sudo apt get install. Okay. You will put first one is build essentials. Are you seeing this command, everybody? Build essentials should be given. Yes, are you seeing that?
Yes.
So these are the so many libraries which will be required. Okay. First one is build essentials. Okay. Now comes second one. After build essentials, I'll give this one. Wait a minute. After build essential, I'll give z lib just a minute. Lib1 g hyphen dev. Are you seeing this? Zlib1 g hyphen dev. It is already installed, it is telling. Then you'll go for next package, next library. What is that is lib gd gdbm hyphen dev. Okay. Yes. Did you see that?
Yes.
Then lib we gave this, right? So the packages we gave was like this. Are you seeing this? First build essentials we gave. Then we gave zlib1 g hyphen dev. Okay. And third one, what I'm going to give is sudo apt get install. Okay. I'll give lib n curses. Lib n curses 5 hyphen dev. Okay, like this. So it is asking extra space. I'll give yes. It will take some libraries. Yes, are you seeing that? Lib n curses 5 dev. Okay, libn cursors have got installed, right? Yes. Now you will go for the next package. Okay. You will give this. Are you seeing this? After install, next package is lib nss 3-dev. Okay, 3-dev. Right, done with that. Then see this. In this 3, you can take one more library, not 3, that is libss-1-dev. 1. Okay, I'm giving that also. Unable to locate libnss-1-dev. Okay, fine. Then we'll see some more things here. Then you'll give sudo apt-get install. Okay, lib read line. Are you seeing this? -dev. Do you see this, everybody? Lib read line -dev. Okay. Right. It installed it. Okay. Then we have one more thing. I will install now lib ffi-dev. Lib ffi-dev. Okay. Yes. Are you seeing this? This package also. Yes. Are you seeing that, everybody?
Yes.
Are you seeing that, everybody? So are you also installing along with me? You are also installing along with me. Did you install all these packages stage by stage?
Yes.
I'm asking, you also installed these packages?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then you have to download the Python source code. I can download the Python source files. So what I'll do here is, I made a directory called Python, right? Inside which I'm doing all this. Yes. Are you seeing this? My present working directory is Python, right? Yes. Now I will download the source code of Python. I will download the source code of Python. Okay. Source code of Python. I can do it from command prompt. Okay. Command prompt only. Or command prompt also. For that, I will use wget command. Okay, I will use wget command. Yes, are you getting my point?
Yes.
So I'll use this command and give a proper URL. I will use wget command with proper URL. Okay, with proper URL. So let me give that wget https. Okay, and I say I'll go to the Python site. Python.org. I'll say FTP. I'll say again Python. Okay, and I'll give a version number. Okay, I'll say 3.11.0. Okay, and I'll say Python hyphen 3.11 dot 0A7. This number I need to give, and TGZ. So see that it is downloading that. It has downloaded it. Okay, so fast. Okay. Now if you see that, see the target, see the extracted, I mean, what is that zip file? It is in red color, right? Yes, are you seeing that, everybody?
Yes.
Now I will extract this file. Okay. Using tar command. I will extract this file using tar command. So I'll say tar, okay, hyphen xvf. Okay, I'll say Python hyphen 3.11 dot 0a7 dot tgz. Okay, I will extract it now. Same file name. Okay, that is the folder name. To see that it extracts. Now so many modules are extracted. See carefully. You keep waiting. Right? It has done all that. Yes, did you see that? Yes, did you see that, everybody? So now, so it has extracted into a folder Python hyphen 3.11.0a7, right? Yes. So go into that file folder. I'll say, see this Python. You're seeing that? 3.11.0a7. Okay, I go into that. Is it clear? And I will give a
Yes.
a command here. What is that? I'll say configure. Okay, and I'll give enable. Okay, and I'll say optimizations. Are you seeing that? I'll say configure. Remember this command. Configure and enable optimizations. So it will do that now. So it is doing all that initializations. Yes, do you see that? So all the necessary optimizations and installations it is doing. So many things it is doing, right? In fact, checking. Okay. Then you'll give another command, last command. You'll give sudo make install. Okay. So it will work all that. So seeing that, yes, let it happen. It will install. So all the libraries are getting installed. Okay. Is it installing for you people? Yes.
Yes.
Is it installing for you people also?
Yes.
Good. Let it happen. So I think all the packages are installed now. Yes, do you see that? All the packages are installed. But there is a package called as pip, Python pip also. Okay. There is a package called as Python pip. Okay. Additional packages can be installed on that. Okay. So how to install that? We can check it now. See here. I'll say py version. So I'll just check sudo apt get install. Okay, Python py. So these packages once installed, Python will run comfortably. Python will run comfortably. Okay. Now I'll give the previous package command, this one. Now it tells me Python 10.4, right? I can give some more commands like this, Python M pip version. Okay, it is giving me the version number as 3.10.4. I can upgrade that. I can say Python -m pip install. Okay. I can say upgrade pip. Okay. Unrecognized arguments -m. Just a minute. Yes. Now shall we Okay, we will go for doing something on Python. We have a lot of things here. Okay, so I will use some constructs here. Okay, so let me use that. So see here now carefully. I can check which Python version is. Or I can say like this, which Python 3. Or I can say like this, Python version. Or Python 3 version. I'll say quit. So what I do here is I go with okay. I'm going with some of the commands of installing Python. We have done it. Now I'll use that. Okay. So let me go with I mean now we are going to do Python scripting, right? We are going to do Python scripting. Okay. Just a minute. Sudo apt only upgrade. Okay. I'll say install Python 3. Yes, it is upgraded already. Now to run run Python in Ubuntu. Okay, anyway, we saw that Python 3 version, right? We are getting this, right? Let me start Python simple scripting. I'll do simple scripting in Python. So you have to check with these commands, dear everybody. Come out. I'm in Python folder here. I can say sudo apt get update, right? Yes, you have given an update command, and after that, okay, general easy steps are for Python. Okay, it's not that difficult steps as I have told. It can be as simple as that also. Apt get install Python. Okay, so it is already there, so it will not install, right? Yes, it is already there, so it will not install. Then we will move on to the Python's files and interpreter. I will write a simple first Python program. Okay, I will write a simple first Python program. You know the command touch in Linux, right? Yes, you know the command touch, right? It creates a file. Okay, it creates a file. So I will say like this touch. Okay, I will say testing, and Python will all have extensions of py. Python files will all have extensions of py. So I give like this. So Python testing.py is created. Okay. Then I say, I think I did not install Vim. Sudo apt-get install Vim also. Okay, fine. Then I go and I say Vim, okay, testing.py. Right? Then I can write something on that. Okay. I'll say like this, go into that. I say print. Okay, are you seeing that? And I say 10 plus some 25. Simple things I'll do. Okay, I can even give commands like this. Print. Okay, I'll say 5 into 10. 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 25 minus 3 double asterisk 3. This way. Okay, do you see that? Right? These all things I do come out, and like a script, I will change the permissions. Testing.py. Okay, then dot slash. Okay, testing.py. Right? And dot slash testing.py. It is giving an error. There should be a Python shell actually. Just let me.
वही बात किए हैं।
Then I will run this Python 3. Now this is the Python interpreter. Are you seeing the arrow mark over there? Yes, do you see the arrow mark? Then when I enter into Python, I can give the related commands. For example, I can give like this 10 plus 25. It will give 35. Are you seeing that? Yes, 10 plus 25. I'm getting as 35, right? And on this Python interpreter or shell, I can give like this print, okay, 10 plus 25, like this also. Yes, are you seeing there? Yes, everybody is seeing there.
Yes.
I can even give like this print, okay, as I was giving all those, which one? 50 or 5 into 10, divide some arithmetic expression, minus 3. Okay, you're seeing that? Then I can even give like this, hello world. Are you seeing that on Python interpreter? It gives me. Are you seeing that, everybody? I can also say print, okay, and inside like this also. Different ways I can print it. Are you seeing that?
Yes.
I can even print like this, print hello, okay, hello, add world. So it will concatenate the string, means add the string. You see this without space. Yes, are you getting that, everybody? So we printed text, we printed numbers, right? Print variables now. How to print a variable? I can say a variable like this, where is equals to, see that, is equals to hello world. It is very simple in Python. I assigned and I'll say print var. I assigned it. So I can assign a variable name. Wait a minute. And I think I can give like this. Like this, or yeah, it came in. You seeing that? After assigning a variable, I can give it in brackets. Okay. I can give another variables. I can say this integer as 5 and this float as 5.5, and I can say print, okay, what this integer, right? And I can say print this float. Are you seeing that? Yes. Do you see that, everybody? Syntax is clear? I can have a computation also. I can have a computation also. So I see this result, I say, and I say is equals to 6 into 7. Okay. And I say print this result. You see this? Yes, are you seeing that? Yes, are you seeing that? I can give some more things like this. I can say string 1. I can say hello. Okay, I can say string 2. Okay, I can say capital hello. Are you seeing that? Now I can say print. See this. I can print string 1. Check with the condition string 2. Are you seeing this? What it is giving? So what do you see here? Yes, tell me, what do you see here? You see a false or a true?
False.
False. Why? Because capital H is not the same with small h. I'll give a string 3. And that also I give it like this with